The multiple clock displays in your Mercedes-Benz default to automatically setting the time and date according to the time zone you've selected. But if you need to adjust these for any reason, you can set the time manually. Go to the System menu on your home screen, then choose Time and Date. Deactivate the automatic time settings. Then, select Manual Time Adjustment. Set the hours and navigate to the right to set minutes, then confirm the change. Your time will update on your digital clock displays as well as your analog clock. To change the way the time and date is displayed, select Set Format under Time and Date and set according to your preference. Now, you'll be on time every time.